Is hopefully everybody is doing amazing, everybody is doing great, and it's another opportunity that we are here again onto the charts. And as usual, this is what we love doing, and every day, all day, we are here to draw some lessons and see whether we can uh, get some money out of the markets. And it's on a Tuesday before CPI Wednesday tomorrow, but we are already on Wednesday because I'm recording this video at around 1:30 a.m. So we are already on Wednesday, so at around 3:30 p.m. East African time, we are expecting CPI, and that is 8:30 a.m. New York time. We are expecting the CPI news to be released, and a Tuesday, I was looking on the prices, and of course, we got an opportunity, and that's what I want us to look onto this. So, from the daily time frame, over here, this is the candle that I traded, and what happened is we have this fair value area, right? And I'm gonna be talking about this fair value area, and if you want to know about this fair value area, then you can comment on this video, FVA, which represents a fair value area. Then I'll do a video showing that this. So we have this fair value area, and we had also taken out this previous month's high. We had a rally lower, and Monday we created this market structure shift by this candle closing below this swing low. And also we had this formation of a breaker because we have a high, a low, a higher high, which cleared these highs, and then we had this drop lower that cleared also this low. So this was a breaker block, a daily breaker block. So what I anticipated to see today is wanted to see a reaction of these daily breaker block, but that didn't happen. So after noticing this, I was watching the price action. I really wasn't married to see price deliver onto these daily breaker block. Wasn't that married. I wanted to have a clear read of price. So from the daily time frame, moving on to the 4-hour time frame, yesterday we had this formation of these fair value gaps. So I was watching these fair value gaps, then I dropped onto the 1-hour time frame, and that's where I saw an opportunity. So during the New York, I remember I'm a New York trader, and what did I see? So at around 6 a.m. This time, this candle had already printed out. So what did I see? I saw this fair value gap that had already been created. So upon seeing this fair value gap that had already been created, this candle tapped into this fair value gap, as you can see over there, clearing this previous candle's high, right? And also this candle closed below the open and the close of this previous candle, right? So this is the opening price, right above, below here we have the opening price, also the closing price above. But this other candle opened, cleared this high, then you can see it closed below the open. So to me, this is an engulfing candle, and mostly after a formation of an engulfing candle, I'm expecting to see a drop lower. So a drop lower. So I anticipated to see a sharp drop lower. Obvious, this previous day's low was my target. These previous days lows, which were relatively equal lows, were my targets, as well as this swing point here. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, I get let me go to the daily time frame. I guess we can see the swing low very clear, right? So this is the swing low that I was targeting, and but I really wanted to see, first of all, the previous day low being taken. So after I'd seen these engulfing candle form, then I anticipated to see this drop lower. And this candle, you can see, closed at around the around these candles, in close proximity with these candles low point. So I thought of an immediate rebalance being formed. So I dropped onto the 15-minute time frame, and what did I see? So also the 15 minutes time frame, what did I see? We had a fair value gap here that had already been traded in. then I saw this candle closing below this area. So also I had another 15 minutes area of fair value, right? Fair value area, and I really didn't want to see a much retracement into that zone, because from the higher time frame I have the 1 hour, I have already noticed we have an engulfing candle, so I'm expecting a sharp drop of price. So I really didn't want to see price retrace deeper into this fair value area, because we have already price both, we have both buyers and sellers, so there's no need to see a much more retracement into it. So as this candle was closing, we had a fair value gap there. So before the fair value gap, I did enter my trade. So I didn't really wait to see price tap into that fair value gap. As the market was rallying using this candle, I did enter my trade with my stops being above this high. Then what happened? We had this one candle tanking lower that tapped our TP, and our day was done like that. So this fair value gap was left open because we had already a 1 hour immediate rebalance. So if you go back on the 1 hour immediate rebalance, we cannot see any fair value gap being created. So here we don't see any fair value gap being created. We see we are having overlapping wicks there. So that, to me, upon noticing that, then it was key for me to place my stops above that swing high, then targeted a 1 to 2, of course, and my TP was hit really quick, and I got out of the market, and was a quick lesson, and something to be watching or will be working on is this area of fair value area. So yeah, that was my trade today. It was a good trade, quick TP tap, and yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.